A wise old man once told me it's okay to have fun, but always, always wear protection. And that stuck with me. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can protect your rage rope with the brand new rope guards. If you're like me, sometimes you want to train outdoors. You don't want to be cooped up in a gym, especially if the weather is this gorgeous. But I hear you, there's a problem. After using your rope outdoors, you might end up looking like this. And we don't want that. A lot of you know over the years I've used tape, I've used all sorts of things to try to protect my rope from the inevitable wear that will happen when the rope is used, especially on rough surfaces, outdoors, concrete and such like. And because this is a problem for me, I know it will be a problem for many people using their ropes, and so I've been working on a solution for that, and we finally got it. Now when you get your rage rope, it will come with a free rope guard so you can protect your rope in one of these cute little bags. Oh my god, so cute. Because always wear protection. Ha ha ha. So you can use your rope outdoors on the roughest surfaces, and rest assured, as fast or as hard as you go, your rope will be protected. And the rope guard will take all the wear and tear, as I'll show you, which is way more affordable and just way more sensible than having to buy a new rope each time your rope wears down. So now we're going to take a look. Yes, I am back with my talking hands to demonstrate how we are to apply the rope guard. Here we have the brand new ice blue edition of the rage rope, and as you all know, the rage rope is unique in that when it arrives, the handles and the rope are separated for you to assemble it to your required length by pushing the button, feeding the rope in and releasing the button. And of course, if you need to adjust the length, push the button again, cut off any excess, and you're good to go. But before we put it together, we have to put the rope guard on. So I've got one handle attached, one handle free, so I can apply the rope guard, feed it through like so. And then, because it is a very snug fit, we don't want a loose bit of plastic flying around and sliding up and down the rope. It's been measured precisely for this rope width, and so what you're going to have to do in order to apply it, it will take a couple of minutes, but it's worth saving yourself from buying a rope every time. And all you're going to do is twist and push, twist and push. So the hardest part is getting it through. If you've got sweaty palms, this might be a bit trickier, but once it is through, it's just a case of pulling it along and feeding it through. This is the most important part. You want it to be in the middle of the rope at that point of contact with the ground. To find the middle, what you want to do is put the handles, get the handles equal, and then just find the middle by dragging it through. There's our rope guard, but we want to find the middle, which would be about here. I'm just going to feed the rope guard down to this point. And just to make sure, so still not quite in the middle, needs a bit more. And there we are. So you've got that nice clean look and you've got your rope protected. So as a lot of you guys know, as I've said a number of times on the channel before, I don't feel comfortable putting anything out there and telling you that something is worth getting if I have not tested it myself, if I haven't put it through the rigors of training. And so some of you eagle-eyed viewers would have seen that for the past few months I have been using these rope guards on my ropes in previous videos, and that's to see how they hold up, whether they can do the job of protecting the rope. To demonstrate this, I've got a rope which I've been using for the past few months with the rope guard on. So I'm going to put this to the side for a second. Now I have this rope in the original carbon black color, and this is the rope guard, so you can see it's taken the scuffs of all of that training. If I compare it to the brand new, that's a brand new rope guard on that one, Then here we have the older rope guard. And the great thing is, once this has taken all that punishment, all you've got to do is remove it, take it off the rope, and replace it with a new one. That way, you're not going to have to shell out for a new rope every month or so. So that's about it. We have the Ice Blue Edition Rage rope along with the rope guards today. Super excited to have got this done. I think it's really going to transform things for a lot of people. Not only do we have a rope that is top tier, fluid motion, smooth as butter, fully adjustable, we also have protection. So it's got the speed and it's got the protection now, which I think is just brilliant. I love this ice blue color along with the red and the metallic silver. I just think it's a really cool color for the summer. As always, drop any queries, any questions in the comment section, or you can reach out by email. Things are a bit hectic at the moment, but I do respond to every single email, so do not hesitate to reach out. Can't wait to see you guys killing it with the new and improved Rage rope. Always just working, trying to think and trying to figure out improvements that we can make to our game. There's so many great comments have been coming in, so many great reviews. It motivates me, you know. It's like I don't want to let the side down, so I try and put out the best videos I can, put out the best advice that I can, make improvements on our training equipment as best as I can as well. Let's get to work. I appreciate you guys, and until next time, all the best with your training and stay raging.